You asked, how to divide 5688 by 3 using the long division method. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 28 minus 27 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1896.